On behalf of His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, His Royal Highness the Crown Prince and Prime Minister Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa launched the 2022 Bahrain International Airshow at Sakhir Air Base.
السلام الوطني سلام
His Royal Highness highlighted Bahrain's commitment to further developing promising sectors that contribute to the kingdom's national development in line with the vision of His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa. His Royal Highness noted the kingdom's attractive business and investment environment and commended Bahraini nationals for their creativity, innovation and wide-ranging achievements. His Royal Highness emphasized that Bahrain has attracted major global events through its established presence in the exhibition and conference industry. His Royal Highness affirmed that the kingdom's hosting of specialized international exhibitions, conferences and broad international participation cements its position as a global destination for events. His Royal Highness commended the success achieved by the Bahrain International Airshow over the last 10 years, adding that it has become a prominent event within the aviation industry. In this regard, His Royal Highness attributed the event's success to the efforts of His Majesty the King's personal representative and chairman of the Higher Organizing Committee, His Highness Sheikh Abdullah bin Hamad Al Khalifa. His Royal Highness toured the exhibition and visited the pavilions of participating countries, during which His Royal Highness was briefed on the latest technology in the world of military and civil aviation from various countries. His Royal Highness also visited UAE's National Pavilion and was briefed on its interest in the aviation industry. His Royal Highness commended the development of Bahraini-UAE relations and added that the UAE's commitment to participating in this exhibition and other events held in the kingdom reflects the strength of the bilateral partnership cooperation between the two countries. To conclude the tour, His Royal Highness highlighted the importance of the airshow in the global events calendar as it provides an interactive platform for investors and stakeholders in the aviation industry. His Royal Highness thanked all the ministries and government agencies that contributed to organizing the exhibition. A number of senior officials and distinguished guests participating in the exhibition also attended the opening.